Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook user ID and username. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly, let's open the application. Now firstly, I'm going to show you how to find the username. So it's a very easy process. Click on the three lines at the top right, click on your profile. Now click on the three dots over here just beside edit profile. Now over here at the bottom you'll find your profile link. So in this link, after facebook.com profile.phd, whatever it is written, that is your username for Facebook. Now for the user ID, it's a different case. So for that, what you have to do is go back to the main screen. Now over here in the menu, just simply scroll down, click on privacy and settings. Now in that, just simply choose settings. Now over here, just simply scroll down till the very bottom and you will find apps and websites. Choose that. Now you will find a lot of apps that you have given access to Facebook. So over here you will find all of them. Now to find the user ID, all you have to do is just simply open any app. Let's say for example Spotify. So choose that. And now if you scroll down till the very bottom, you will find your user ID, which is a unique number for an individual application. Like for example, this is the individual unique ID or user ID for Spotify. So if you go to another application, like for example Pinterest, the unique user ID will be different, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.